So we just finished installing this engine, right? We did the head gasket, bearings, all the works, you know, injectors. Okay, you got some coolant in the bottle, right? You decide to start the vehicle up, you know. Of course, you're gonna get your hard start when you start up because you gotta get, you know, everything pressurized and running. But let me show you exactly what's going on. Okay, so when we start the vehicle up, it starts right up. Let's put it on. Alright, so the vehicle starts right up, but you see that engine checking light on, and we have some faults, and you feel the vehicle running somewhat rough, right? So we gotta put the scan tool on it and see exactly what's causing the misfire, right?
What it feel like to see the truth and still ignore it? Whether in denial or out of it is still important. I'm from where they sold men, secrets only told friends. Dusty church with old hymns, 24s and
we got some four cores, we got some lights on, plus the check engine light. So I'm gonna go after the PCM because all we did was basically the engine replacement, right? And now we got some four codes on, right? So what is this here? You see transmission control module, we got basically invalid from the brake. So we do have an ABS light on. We're gonna put that in the next video. And we also have a camshaft problem, right? So we're gonna attack that P1174. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to rectify that problem. Okay, so we're gonna go into PCM. Let me see if I can get you out the glare so I can show you exactly what's going on. So we got the check engine light on, and we also have some faults on the ABS, right? So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do, right? We're going to do read fault code, retrieve the DTC, the current DTC. I'm trying to get you all that glare. It's kind of challenging, but right. So we got a P1174, a P0700, and we got a U code, right, for the control module. So as I said earlier, I got a video coming out on that, so you know, stay tuned. But let's attack this P1174, right? So we're gonna clear all the codes first, and we're gonna see what comes back up. We was able to clear the codes, so let's come back out. All right, let's go back in. So let's read four codes again. All right, so with that, now we got no four codes, right? But let's start it up again and see exactly what's going on if we get that four code again. I gotta hold down this button. So got some lights on again. Alright, so let's read four codes again. I feel like a slight rough idle, but I'm gonna go into PCM only. I'm not gonna do the rest. Alright, so let's see if we got that P1174 code again for cam timing. Right, the timing is on, the vehicle starts right up. As you heard, it's sounding good. So we gotta read four codes. Again, a slight rough, you know, idle, but I believe everything is good. We check our timing marks, right? Timing chain was replaced, and you see that we got that P1174 comes back up again. Alright, so let me show you what you need to do, right? You gotta go into reset the PCM learn values. Alright, press OK. Key on, engine off, press OK. Alright, you wanna tell you wait, you wanna tell you to switch off. Alright, press OK, switch off. Alright, you press OK. That's it. So you're gonna put it back on again. And I need you to basically reset all these learned values and then take the vehicle for a run, and you should be supposed to be good to go, right? So until next time, take it easy.